When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag, and then it goes back.
Mizoram Football Association Honorary Secretary kaniya, Longtlai District Football Association ina MFA Cup sang nile som bakua in thleng tur hi du sakna ka hlan chewa mi puite in Kellen theu turin kan som chewani tin hei fans jersey thatak mayan siam de po hi le sak turin ka ngen chewa he MFA Cup atan hian ka du sakna sang ber ka hlan chew le
si rang thianga Longtlai District Football Association President kania kumin sang ni le som pagwa hian MFA Cup Football Tournament April ni som ni le pathuma tanga May ni thum thleng hian Longtlai District Football Association te chuan kan thleng dona he football tournament lom tura hian Longtlai mi pui jong le hun dang mi pui te kan tournament min chim pui tu le min en pui turin kan som vek chua he tournament hotling taka khelani theina turin Longtlai District Football Association te chuan Longtlai mi pui jong te min troi om turin kan som cheu ani
ke hi silon nun puya Longtlai District Football Association Honorary Secretary kania April ni som ni pathum sang ni le som bakwa tanga May ni thum sang ni le som bakwa MFA Cup Longtlai DFA na kan thlen tura hian district rang tanga DFA kan tho puite local theu turin kan som chewa Longtlai mi puite po he MFA a lot ling ngei theina turatan lo tel theu turin kan som bok a cheu kalome
ti zakunga kania lai Thomas District Council CM ni lai kani hey April tha hian MFA Cup Longtlai huna nei dona he huna hian football ngai sang tu zong te lo tela mi ron man pui turin kan som chiwa Longtlai District Football Association ten he MFA Cup an thena tura hian luang tak le lung taka an thlen theinan du sakna sang ber ka han ni e lo me